Hello again. What?
Nothing.
Oh, me and Scott are hiking at Skyline Park, going all the way to the end to find a cache that I have missed before because I got too tired before I got to the end. But we're gonna try and make it all the way this time. Right?
Correct.
Napa. So we've been hiking for some time. It's nice actually here. It's been warm. What? Wildlife. Wildlife. I see it. Anyway, my GPS has an image of a camera right where we are, so I decided to use my camera in this area. The wildlife is coming. We should get out of the trail. I forgot to. But I'm recording now.
Oh, that kind of recording.
So we went to the end of this place, and there's a little loop, and we're on the return side now. Let me give you some statistics of our trip so far, because I reset the trip computer before we left. So, oh, you want to? Our trip odometer, 6.46 miles. Our current elevation is 1,045 feet. Current speed,
this is a little
2.5
difficult.
miles per hour. What?
This is a little difficult.
Oh, just watch where you're going.
Okay.
Our moving average, 2.8 miles per hour. Our moving time, 2 hours, 19 minutes. So, that's how we've been doing so far. Almost 7 miles in 2 hours and 20 minutes. Not bad. Okay, you can stop recording.
What?
Said you can stop. You can stop the recording. Oh, birds?
Oh.
Oh, those are the cows. They're still in the bushes. You scare them in the bushes. See how much faster look like this?
Yeah, that was pretty fast.
That was much faster than the other way with all the switchbacks.
Yep.
That's why the original plan was to go this way. You wanted to go the other way.
Well, don't pin this on me. That was your idea. Do the whole loop, and I said do the harder one first, so we wouldn't have to deal with it on the way out.
Yeah, that's fine.
So I'm the smarter of us.
Those are lasered. Where should we go to eat? Vote in the comments.
Yes. Good plan. We'll have those results in time for us to get out of here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, bye.